TailPress is a WordPress theme boilerplate using Tailwind CSS, and as of version 5 we can finally use Vite. Now to get started with your next WordPress theme, I highly recommend you to use the TailPress installer, which you can install through Composer by running the following command. Once it's installed, you should be able to run this and verify that it has been installed correctly. Okay, so let's get started with our next TailPress theme. We'll say TailPress, new, and the name of our folder, in this case, is going to be demo. The name of our theme is demo. We'll stick with the default author name, as well as the email, as well as the local development URL. And in this case, we also want to install WordPress. Now, if you do not want to install WordPress, I'm assuming you're running this from an existing WordPress site. But in this case, we do want to install WordPress. So yes. We'll have demo as the database name. Quick side note, you do have to set up your own local database. This is just filling in the values that are going to end up in your WP config file. We'll have a blank password and the host is going to be this. And now it's going to set up our project. Alright, so our project has been set up. This is where we can find our theme, and this is where we can find our WordPress instance. In this case, we're first going to cd into our WordPress instance, like so, and we're going to boot up a PHP server. Next, I'm going to go and open this in Safari, and we'll quickly install WordPress here. We'll do a very safe password and install. Oh, we do need to fill in an email address as well here. And hit install. All right, so let's log in. And activate our TailPress theme. Like so. Now if we look at the front end of our website, while I remove this annoying pop-up of 1Password, you'll see a very nice looking starting point for your next WordPress theme. Now to show you how you can get started with hot module reloading of Vite, I'm going to open up our theme in our coding editor. So let's go to our theme. Open up the editor. And here we'll run npm run dev. Let's head on back to Safari, refresh the page, and verify in our console that Vite indeed has been connected. All right. To show you that this works through hot module reloading, I'm going to alter my window a little bit. Open up header.php. And we'll change the text color of the heading here. Let me look it up. And we'll say orange 500. And as you can see, the change has been reflected on the right without having to refresh. Now this isn't new, but Vite compiling with TailPress is new, so I just wanted to show you that quickly. Alright, so this is how you set up your TailPress theme. Of course, there's more to go through. If we go, for example, have a look at functions.php, you see how our theme is being set up. Now for more information about that, I recommend you to visit the documentation at tailpress.io. In addition to that, I'm very interested to know if you are interested in more videos like these. For example, a video about how to set up or use custom fonts within your theme. Please let me know in the comments. And if there is enough of a demand for it, I will probably record additional videos. For now, this is it. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.